Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Well guys, right now we are at Luxor. So Luxor जो है वो इजिप्ट का ही नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया का इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट सिटीज़ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड वी वोक अप लाइक प्रिटी अर्ली टुडे बिकॉज हमें जाना था लक्सर टेम्पल जो आप मेरे पीछे थोड़ा बहुत देख सकते हैं. So हमने अपनी टिकट्स ले ली है. इट्स 160 इजिप्शियन पाउंड फॉर वन पर्सन. So guys, we finally arrived at the Luxor temple and हम इतना जल्दी यहाँ पे आए हैं कि there is no other tourist other than us and we actually have all the Luxor temple only for us. So अभी के लिए the Luxor temple owner is we and I am going to go inside my property. So Luxor temple was constructed during the period of Amenhotep. So ये काफ़ी जो इजिप्शियन डायनेस्टी का जो सेकेंड किंगडम था तो इट वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड. कंसेप्चुअली एंड रिलीजियसली ऐसे बिलीव किया जाता है जब भी कोई नया किंग क्राउंड होता था द क्राउनिंग सेरेमनी यूज्ड टू हैपन here at the Luxor temple. So the Luxor temple was dedicated to the god of sun, that is Amun, and also to Mut and Khonsu. So Mut was the divine goddess and Khonsu was the god of the moon. And over the period of the Egyptian dynasties and kingdom, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेनोवेट किया गया है, इसका चेंजेस किया गया है. And even during the Roman period, like when the Romans came into Egypt and they took over Egypt, it also served as a fort for the Roman army during those days. So Egyptian period में Luxor temple की importance ये होता था that during the Opet festival, यहाँ पे Karnak temple, like which is just 3 kilometers away from this Luxor temple, which is connected via the Alley of Sphinx, which we will see in some time. So Karnak temple से the statues of Amun, Mut and Khonsu were brought to the Luxor temple and they were worshipped to celebrate the concept of rebirth, and it still is one of the largest open museum of the world. You can find history in every corner of the place.
This is amazing. It's like dream, you know. I'm in love with these pillars, seriously. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Oh. वैसे कैसा लग रहा है फ्रेंड्स? आज मैं गेटअप लिया मैंने अलादीन बनने के लिए. अब मुझे चिराग मिलेगा और मैं उसे किसके गिरी पालूंगा.
We are now going to the open air museum. So ये आपको लक्सर टेम्पल के एकदम अंदर जाके you have to take a left turn. So these all the stones, ये सब कर्नक टेम्पल और लक्सर टेम्पल को डेकोरेशन करने के लिए it was part of the walls. So this obviously these blocks had to be removed because due to the restoration process, due to the conservation process, and this has been stored here and it's called as the open air museum because you can find like actual artifacts, everything. Look at the size of each of the structure and pillars. It's so big, so humongous and larger than life. Grandeur and magnificent. See, it has, this place has the magnanimity. This place has no lens in the world or no camera can ever do justice to a place like this. So guys, I actually request you कि maybe आपके bucket list में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी, mountains होंगे, beaches होंगे, some बहुत कुछ होगा. But make sure like at least once in a life, at least try to visit Egypt. So guys, this is the difference 1 hour of time can make and even half an hour of time can make. And this is guy is the alley of the Sphinx. So ये रास्ता actually 3 kilometers long है and ये लक्सर टेम्पल से लेके directly अगर आप ये रास्ते को पकड़ के जाओगे then you will reach the Karnak temple. So just came back to our hotel and had our breakfast and अभी हम जाने वाले Valley of the King. So before I go to the Valley of Kings, I think I'm gonna crash on bed. Bye guys, catch you later.
So guys, मॉर्निंग को घूमने के बाद में अब मामिया देवी सो रही है. She is sleeping. मामिया अभी बहुत जगह घूमना है. चलो उठो, चलो उठो.
11 बजे निकलेंगे.
11 बजे निकलेंगे. कवर अप हो जाएगा उससे.
12 बजे तक पहुंचेंगे तो कवर अप होगा. 4 बजे बंद.
तो सुबह उठने से भी ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कभी कभी.
So I am like now out of my hotel and I have changed my outfit because लक्सर में यार हमने इतनी फ़ोटोज़ खींची कि मुझे लग रहा था कि ऐसे कॉस्ट्यूम बॉम्बार्डमेंट हो जाएगा. So I just thought of like changing it into this and I took this getup because we are going to the Valley of the King. So now we are thinking to take a ferry. तो अगर आप फेरी से जाते हो that will like cost you £5 per person, but you have to walk from this place to the ferry station in the East Bank, then take the ferry to the West Bank and cross the Nile River and then again take a taxi and go to other places. But हम जो यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं कि हमें ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा लेट भी हो गया था क्योंकि आके मैं थोड़ा सा सो गई थी. तो anyway हम यहाँ से एक्चुअली एक टैक्सी लेके जा रहे हैं जो हमें 2-3 जगह वहाँ पे घुमाएगा और वापस होटल पे आके चलेगा. सो टैक्सी वाला एक्चुअली काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोला था 350, so we got it for £200. Say hello.
How are you? Good.
Alright guys, so now we are entering the Valley of the Kings. So we got the tickets for the Valley of the Kings. It's 240. So like 240 Egyptian pound में आपको एक्चुअली 3 ही बस टूम्स में यू कैन एंटर. अगर आप किंग टूट के टूम में एंटर करना चाहते हो so that will just one tomb will cost you 300 Egyptian pound. So I feel like that's a little bit on the pricey side, but if you are into Valley of the Kings, you cannot miss that.
And if you want to go
on the buggy, yes,
the buggy, you have to pay 8 for 2 tickets, £8.
That's cheap.
यानी £4 for one. It's cheap.
Guys, we are already in the buggy. अगर आपको कैमरा यहाँ पे लाना है तो कैमरास के लिए भी यहाँ पे additional payment है. So कैमरा के लिए you have to pay 300 Egyptian pound. Guys, we are finally at the Valley of the Kings. So Valley of the Kings के बारे में आपको बता दूँ कि after the bodies were like stopped to be buried inside the pyramids, नया जो burial होता था that used to happen in the Valley of the Kings. Till now only 64 tombs have been discovered. It's still believed कि अभी भी maybe hundreds या 1000 tombs और भी है इस valley के अंदर छुपा, लेकिन वो अभी तक discover नहीं हुआ है. लेकिन 64 tombs में भी only 20 tombs belong to the kings, other belong to the nobles and the royal family members. And उस 20 tombs में भी only 14 are open to the public right now. Others are not open to the public. So you can only choose like 3 tombs. So let's go guys. So Ramses 4 is the first tomb on the right. जैसे ही आप enter करते हो पहला जो right लोगे तो आपको Ramses 4 दिखेगा. And we are now entering the tomb. This is our second tomb for the day, and now we are entering the tomb of Merenptah. So guys, the tomb we are now entering is actually 160 meters down. So actually हम ground के 160 meters नीचे जा रहे हैं. It was the end of tomb number 2. Now we are going to our last tomb. This is Ramses 9 and this is Rajgir 1.
This is 2 holes. 2 holes already done in
Yes.
ticket. 1, 2. Last hole is there.
So I'm right now in front of the famous tomb of Tutankhamun. So Tutankhamun, if you know, was the boy king, and he died at the age of 17, and he was the youngest pharaoh of Egyptian kingdom. This was the only tomb which was found intact in the early 1900s. वो अकेला ही ऐसा इसका टूम है जिसके अंदर अभी भी मम्मी है. Unfortunately, we cannot click pictures over here. We cannot shoot any videos. Not even cell phones are allowed inside. So guys, we are just done with the 3 tombs, and हमारा ticket में जो था 3 tombs वो that is done. So now we are leaving from the Valley of the King. So right now guys, I'm standing in front of the statues of the Colosseum of Memnon. So these are the statues of King Amenhotep III. This is guys the Colosseum of Memnon. So अगर आप Valley of King से आ रहे हो, ये आपको ऑन में मिल जाएगा. And the best thing about this place is कि यहाँ पे कोई एंट्री टिकट नहीं है. So guys, I finally came back to the hotel. It was an amazing day. I saw amazing places. I hope you also enjoyed with me as much as I did. Tomorrow also we have like some interesting things planned out. We are going to the, I should not say, you should check it out yourself. So stay tuned and do watch out for me tomorrow.